next comedian, David Kennell.
How y'all doing?
Yeah.
So depending on how well this goes tonight, I may or may not be getting really, really drunk after the show. And when I come home drunk, because I've been driving drunk, because I know my limits, when I come home drunk, there's one thing that I love to do, and that's get on Facebook and comment on everything. Just getting involved in stuff that has nothing to do with me. Like, what, man, you graduated? That's fucking awesome. Message me, man, we gotta hang out sometime. Post, damn, girl, that pic is fucking hot. Spelled H-A-W-T, with the girl spelled G-U-R-L. Fucking message me, post. What, you believe in God? That's fucking stupid. Post. Hey, it's that cute girl from high school I vaguely knew. I actually like all of her pictures. Like. She's gonna notice me and then we're gonna fuck. Like. I need to get a breathalyzer for my Facebook, man. That's what I need. So when I come home drunk, like some alcoholic dad, just boom! Facebook? Facebook, where are you? Facebook, you get over here, you little son of a... I'm sorry, but fuck! You are over the limit for Facebook. Might we recommend Tumblr? So, I was talking to this guy I know, this kind of a douchebag coworker of mine. He's sort of a homophobic guy. And we were hanging out at work, and these two quite obviously gay gentlemen strolled by, or, you know, strutted by. And my douchebag coworker goes, and I'm like, whoa, is that how homophobes think gay sex works? Like, is that what they think it is? Just two guys facing each other head on, just dun 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 dun, ah, this is awesome, dun 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 dun, I'm getting so much pleasure out of this, dun 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 dun, this is not nearly as painful as you think, dun 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 dun. Jesus, no wonder they think it's unnatural. No! Of course not! Of course that's not how it works. Two reasons. Like you need them. One, it would hurt! Like a lot. You'd lose your erection immediately. At that point, Jesus man, you might as well just go and fuck the wall. Like, yeah, that's a good little wall. Not sure why Nat King Cole was the one who deserved that abuse. He was giving me those eyes, man. Rambling Rose, damn right. Maybe if I was gay, I'd be into black guys, I don't know. Reason number two, can you imagine the precision and accuracy and timing and skill required? No one could do it! It'd be like, okay, Bill, stop, Bill, stop! That's the tempo that we agreed on. Also, you're shorter, I'm taller. Stay where you are, I'll come down to you. Okay? This is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, dicks go here. Jesus, Bill. So I'm married. I'm not really married. It's not fair that married people can get that laugh and I can't, so. Fuck you, Austin, man. I don't know, man. I'm no good at relationships. That's the thing, dude, is I love comedy. I'm a comedy dork. I love listening to it. I love doing it. But I understand its limitations. Like, unless you're at a certain level, comedy's not gonna get you laid. It's a sad fact, but it's a fact, man. There are no women watching me tonight like, oh my God. if he tells jokes like that, imagine how he fucks. That's not a real thing. That's not happening. And I've been to the bookstores. I've walked through that romance section, and all of the male models on there, you know, those like retardedly gorgeous guys, they're usually supposed to be like princes or high-powered businessmen or werewolves now for some reason. But not a single one of those guys has ever posed on there like, you know, Fabio's never holding a microphone with his hair flowing.
Oh my God.
It's not a fantasy. It's no one's fantasy. But maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. There's probably a lady somewhere, probably lives in the Midwest, in her mid-50s. But that's all she does. She just writes like short stories about comedians, erotic short stories. The man who made me laugh. She posts them on the internet. And other women in the Midwest with her fetish read them and just fucking rub one up furiously. But I don't know. I don't know if that exists. Because it's not like I've looked online for it. Come on. Okay, fuck you guys. Of course I've looked for it. I need that validation. What, construction workers get that and we don't? That's bullshit. So yeah, I've done some Googling. Don't judge me. And there's fucking nothing. Nothing. On the internet. Where the joke is, rule 41 of the internet, if a subject exists in the world, there's porn about it on the internet. Ha ha ha. Well, fuck you. Not for comics, there's not. It's bullshit. And that's on the internet. There are websites on the internet that are nothing but pictures of muscular calves. That people are just fucking... And you're like, what? Do you mean like calf muscles or baby calves? Both! People are talking about everything. It's insane. There are websites. There's an entire community of people out there, this is true, who fuck balloons. Balloons! Squeak, squeak, squeak. Look, my pubic hair standing up. They fuck until they pop. It's a real thing. They're called looners. Google that shit. But apparently, nobody's ever fantasized about fucking Jerry Seinfeld. Speaking of which, what is the deal with people not wanting to fuck Jerry Seinfeld? That was a shitty Jerry Seinfeld impression, and I apologize for it. Moving on. I don't know, man. I need to find that one special girl, you know? The girl who likes to laugh during sex. And you know, I've made women laugh during sex, but it's never been like in a really positive context. You know? It's like, really? But, I don't know, I need a girl who's gonna be like, baby, tell me another joke, honey. Come on. Oh, you want another joke? Well, how about this? The other day, I was masturbating using all-purpose flour as lubricants. When it occurred to me halfway through that all-purpose flour does not, in fact, work for all purposes. Let's get maybe more jokes. Oh, okay. Well, the other day I learned that the human body is 70% water. How did they find that out? I think they squeezed the guy. That's so surreal. More jokes. All right. Well, the other day I was in the supermarket. And I met a guy who was buying an 18-pack of Natural Light. And I said, hey, wouldn't it just be cheaper to go outside? Baby, no puns. Oh, no puns? Yeah, no puns, please. Can you just go back to what you're doing? Actually, can you tell some jokes about smoking weed all day or not trusting the police or something like that, please? Are you just trying to get me to do black comic jokes? No. Oh my God, you are. Listen, baby, come on, it's just a fantasy. We talked about this. I cannot believe. If you wanted black comic jokes, maybe you should have dated a black comic. Oh my God, you are so insecure. It's just a fucking fantasy. And you know what? Maybe you talking about how small your dick is doesn't exactly get me off. You know what? Fuck you. No, fuck you. And every time you made me come, I was thinking of Dave Chappelle's jokes. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm David Kennell. Y'all been amazing. I love you. Thank you so much. Good night.
David Kennell, everybody! Anyway.